Today, we will be making creamy leche flan. Our recipe is enough to make one large and one small llanera. Please watch until the end to find out the secret, although I've already seen some YouTubers use this secret for a very creamy leche flan. Before we begin, please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Here are our ingredients. 1 can of evaporated milk. 1 can of condensed milk. 8 tablespoons of white sugar. 10 eggs. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's start by putting 3 tablespoons of sugar into the small llanera. Now let's put the remaining 5 tablespoons of sugar into the big llanera. Let's separate the egg whites from the yolk. I'm using a yolk separator that I bought from Amazon. Now let's add the milk to the egg yolks. And let's add the condensed milk. One teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now let's stir this slowly. To caramelize our sugar, put your llanera directly on the stove burner. Over medium heat. You can see the sugar start to melt, just keep swirling the llanera until all the sugar is melted into an amber color. Do this for both llaneras. Put the llaneras aside to cool down and for the caramel to harden. The secret for a creamy leche flan is cheesecloth. Let's strain the mixture into another bowl using a strainer with cheesecloth on top. Let's discard the first cheesecloth and use a new one. Now let's strain it a second time. It's time to pour the mixture into our llaneras. I see some bubbles, let's use the spatula to get rid of them. Now that we've gotten rid of the bubbles, let's wrap our llaneras with aluminum foil. I'm using an aluminum steamer. Boil water. Once your water starts boiling, put the llaneras inside the steamer. Simmer for about 40 to 45 minutes. Alexa, stop timer. Turn off the stove and remove the llaneras from the steamer. The best way to check if your leche flan is done is by using a toothpick. Insert it in the middle of your flan and if nothing sticks, it's done. So, this is done. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours before serving. More than 2 hours have passed. Let's try our leche flan. Use a knife and trace along the edge of the llanera to release the flan. Invert the pan. Hold the pan firmly and flip it over onto a plate. I tapped a few times on the underside of the llanera to make sure the flan falls onto the plate. This looks so creamy. Let's try it. So yummy and creamy. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more uploads.